Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to Sewing is Fun. So today in this video, I am going to share with you all few designs to decorate the back part of your kurti or tunic dresses. So let's get started. So the first thing you can do is just make a straight strip around 1 inches wider and give a pleats, small pleats in that, and just give a yoke pattern in the back part of your kurti. As we cut the yoke pattern from the front part, you just need to cut the yoke pattern from the back part and attach this pleated strip onto your back part of the yoke pattern, and then sew down the top and bottom part of the back pattern of your kurti along with this strip. Now another thing you can try is mix and match two different pieces together and join the yoke part of your back pattern with the different fabric and make the sleeves from that fabric, and join the another part of your kurti's fabric along with this lace. This is a crochet kind of lace, so just stitch that lace in between the joinings. So this is again another very interesting pattern you can try. Next, you can try this beautiful button and loop pattern in the back part of your kurti or tunic dress. Here they had used a fabric button with the loops. So this is again giving a very designer look. You can try multicolor fabric buttons also here. Now if you are left with few patches, then you can try this beautiful back neck design for your party wear kurtis. With your embroidered kurti, you can try this beautiful back neck design. They had created 4 circles, and in the middle they had used a fabric button, and in the sides of these circles they had used a beautiful embroidery. In case you don't know any embroidery work, you can attach laces also here. Just like we give a V shape in the front part of our kurti, in the same way we can use this V neck design in the back part also by using these beautiful contrast color pipings. This is a very classic pattern to decorate the back part of your kurti, and these you can use for your formal kurtis also. Here you need to cut the back part from the middle and leave around 1 inch, and then you just need to add a transparent organza fabric. On that you can add beautiful laces, or you can do embroidery work, and here you are done with this beautiful pattern. Having a loop button neckline in your kurtis is very common, but along with that you can also attach these kind of round or triangular patches just below the neck design. This is again a very interesting pattern you can try with your plazo kurti, which is having a collar neck. So to make this kind of pattern in your back part of your kurti, you first need to draw a pattern of your back part, and then in the center of that part you need to leave around 2 inches of fabric, and then while stitching you just need to add a few loop buttons in the top part till the waistline, and then this you can see the box pleated thing occurred in the lower part of the kurti, so that will create a same look. Along with that you can also add the loops in the bottom part of your sleeves and in the bottom part of your kurti too. With the plazo kurti, which is of plain fabric, you can also experiment this beautiful pattern in the back part. To make this pattern, first you need to cut the yoke part from the back part of your kurti, and that in that yoke piece you need to make this button neckline, and then in the bottom part you need to add the box pleated pattern. So for that you just need to leave around 2 inches or 2.5 inches, whatever bigger you want your box pleat to be. Just give that and attach both the top and bottom part. With the plain fabric kurtis, you can try these beautiful pintuck work pattern also. This you can give to your sleeves also, and you can do a few embroidery work if you know, and this is again a very beautiful and office wear kind of pattern you can try. Here you can use boat neck in the back part of your kurti also. Giving a beaded loop buttons is also a very good idea to decorate the back part of your kurti. So here you need to cut the back part from the middle, and then you need to attach these loops and button patterns, and then stitch together both the pieces. And you need to give the pin tucks also in the waistline. Using the organza fabric to make the yoke pattern and the sleeves is also a very great idea. So here you need to use the organza fabric, or any transy cotton fabric can also work here, and just cut the yoke pattern from the back part. Then you can use these beautiful tassel work, and along with that any satin strip will work. With the tassel work, you can also try this kind of glass shape pattern, and you can use these pipings also to decorate that glass pattern neckline, and attach these beautiful multicolored tassels and cauris, or you can get any ghungroos. You can put few earrings also there, the jhumkas you can also try. So these will also give a very unique look to the back pattern of your kurti. So hope you find this video a bit useful. If you do, then please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.